Keith, good, you're back. The team's on a mission. You need to get to your lion and join them immediately.
Just discovered a new form of quintessence. The readings are off the charts. Colovan says it could be linked to Lotor.
Okay, we'll discuss it when you return. I said we'll discuss it later. Right now, I need you to focus on the mission at hand. Get to the FIM system. That's an order.
You able to speak with Colovan about the intel?
I did. And we need to find out all we can about that quintessence. But more importantly, Voltron needs a strong leader. Keith, we've discussed this before. Besides, we both know that the Black Lion has chosen you. This is mine now. I've come to terms with that. Now you need to. I support your decision to continue with your Marmora training. But not at the expense of the team. They need you, Keith. They need you to be their leader. What's it doing so far from the normal supply routes?
We can't be certain.
I'll send Voltron to intercept. Go.
Oh, Kuznak, only 4 lions. I keep forgetting that. Well, I mean, no, he doesn't actually talk like that, but that's what I imagined him saying if he did.
Our medical supply ships. We can't allow the Galra to get them.
We must leave immediately. Voltron can keep those cruisers occupied long enough for the supply ships to make their escape.
They're probably on a mission. I knew this would happen sooner or later. You'll have to go without Keith. The convoy needs you immediately. I'll send him to help as soon as I find him.
I'm sorry, I can't get to you. They're all over me.
What are you doing?
Whatever I can.
I take out one, but 2 more replace it!
The supply ship is almost captured. Can anyone get to it? Do the rebel ships have a shot?
I have a visual on them. They're dead in the water.
We can't do this without Voltron.
Where is Keith?
These people's lives are at stake. Trust me again. It's time to form Voltron!
Sorry, but your actions say otherwise. Do you realize that your absence put the team in jeopardy?
And not just the team, the refugees as well!
Matter of fact,
It's that my absence allowed Shiro to reestablish his bond with the Black Lion. He can finally be the leader I was unable. It could take weeks, maybe months to pull off, but if there is a chance, Shiro, you are the rightful leader of this team. And you proved it today by reconnecting with the Black Lion.
If this is what you feel is right, then we won't try to stop you. But just know that we're here for you whenever you need us. I don't like the idea of you going alone. You sure you don't need backup?
I'm sure. The intel that shopkeeper gave me leads me to believe they could pull out of their current location at any time.
You're right. Good luck.
Hey, while you're out, will you look for some more Fluto beans?